In this video, I will show you how to move a conversation in Slack. So let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or mobile device and go to the conversation you want to move or organize. In Slack, conversations cannot be directly dragged into another chat, but you can move important messages by sharing them to another channel or direct message. To do this, hover over the message you want to move and click the three-dot menu that appears beside it, or right-click on the message. From the options, select Forward Message or Share Message, depending on your Slack version. Now choose the channel or person where you want to send that conversation or message. You can also add a comment before sharing it if needed. After selecting the destination, click Share or Forward, and the message will appear in the new conversation. This is the easiest way to move discussions or important messages between channels in Slack. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.